What is industry analysis? It is the analysis of a particular division of manufacturing, service, or trade. Industry analysis provides the framework for understanding individual companies within that industry, and thus are important for company analysis. Industry analysis has several uses for the purposes of investment and fundamental analysis, including the following: understanding a company's business and business environment, identifying active investment opportunities, and portfolio performance attribution analysis. The first use of industry analysis is to better understand a company's business environment, which provides insight about the firm's potential growth, competition, and business risks, and is therefore an essential part of stock selection and valuation done by equity analysts. Also, by examining the industry conditions, credit analysts can get information on whether the firm will be able to meet its obligations during recessions. The second use of industry analysis is to identify active investment opportunities. Investors who take a top-down approach use industry analysis to decide which industries are undervalued or overvalued based on their growth outlooks. Then, investors are able to weight the industries in their portfolios. Investors can also engage in industry rotation, where they underweight or overweight industries based on the current business cycle. For example, an investor may decide to shift investment from basic utility stocks to hotel stocks, following expectations of improved economic conditions. The third use of industry analysis is performance attribution analysis. In analyzing the sources of portfolio returns, often relative to a benchmark, analysts decompose the portfolio based on industry classification. For instance, after analyzing a portfolio that includes stocks from different industries, an analyst finds out that 34% of the returns are attributed to technology stocks. Find the full Introduction to Industry Analysis video on www.cognivisio.com.